A special tax status and permanent residency. In Italy by a tax agreement. Changes to Italy's tax laws have resulted in an additional tax status that involves paying an alternative tax and a fixed amount of €100,000 each year, and it allows foreigners that are high net worth individuals the chance to transfer their tax residency to Italy and receive the right to reside there through a tax agreement. With this type of tax agreement you do not have to actually live in Italy, which gives you the chance to obtain a special tax status and tax residency without the need to stay in the country on a constant basis. Advantages of Italy permanent residency. By a tax agreement. Live in Italy year-round and move around Europe visa-free. Permanent residency in Italy will give you the right to live in the country year-round and also visit other countries in the Schengen area visa-free. A special tax regime. Under this regime, there is no progressive scale of taxation, and for your entire foreign income you pay only a fixed amount of €100,000 each year. No requirements to live there year-round. You can receive this special tax residency even without staying in Italy year-round. A fast path to obtaining permanent residency. Concluding a tax agreement will give you and your whole family the right to reside permanently in Italy. The best solution for tax residency for foreign income over €100,000 a year. Tax agreement in Italy. A fixed amount of tax for income from outside Italy. €100,000 each tax year for the main applicant, €25,000 each year for each additional family member. What the tax agreement covers. Income from foreign real estate holdings. Income from employment and self-employment carried out abroad. Dividends and interest from foreign legal entities. Business income from foreign operations. Other income, including capital gains from assets and activities carried out abroad. The normal tax regime for income from a source within Italy. A progressive taxation scale up to 43%. Exceptions to the tax agreement for the first 5 years, capital gains from the sale of qualified holdings, capital gains on significant interests, over 2%/20% of voting rights and over 5%/25% of capital. Additional advantages. 1. You are exempt from the standard Italian financial monitoring system. 2. You are exempt from IV. You are exempt from IV, tax on real estate property abroad, and IVAF, tax on property and financial assets abroad. 3. You are exempt from tax on inheritance and gifts. You are exempt from tax on inheritance and gifts in the case of transfers connected with a death, donation, or other gratuitous transfer of assets abroad, including transfers of assets to a trust, regardless of the relationship between the new Italian resident who transfers the assets and his or her assignee. How to apply for an Italian tax agreement and how long it is valid. In order to submit an application for a favorable tax status in Italy, individuals must provide a decision, in appello, to the Italian tax authorities before September 30 during the tax period that follows the change in their place of residence. The chosen option can be annulled, and in any case it will lose its validity after 15 tax periods have passed. In the event of non-payment, partial payment, or overdue payment of an obligatory tax, the favorable tax status will lose its validity. Actions with regard to previous tax periods remain valid. In the option that is chosen, you must specify your last country of tax residency and the members of your family, which have changed their place of residence to Italy. If the tax status is annulled or if it expires, an individual will not be permitted to apply again for a favorable tax status. Our fees. Main applicant, €50,000. Each family member, €5,000. Registered address, if needed, is €5,000 a year. Are you interested in Italy permanent residency?